Hi, welcome to Frosting and Desserts. Today we are making a simple, very with two ingredient dessert, that is with coconut and some milkmaid, that is Nestle Milkmaid. So let's get started. So here is some of the desiccated coconut, a simple coconut powder. In this I am adding condensed milk, around 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix it together. So knead it well. No need of adding any butter or any oil into it, because already coconut have a oil extract in it. So from that oil the complete combining effect is there. So you can see by kneading the dough, already it has come together to make a ball like texture. Any shape you can make as you wish. Only 2 ingredients, not more than that. If you like to add any flavors, you can add vanilla extract, or else you can add some cinnamon powder, or else you can have you can give a flavor of cardamom powder, that is elaichi powder. So this is the final ball, desiccated coconut laddu. Around 3/4 cup of coconut powder I took to make this laddus. It makes around 8 to 10 laddus. Very less quantity of condensed milk. No sugar, no added flavors. The condensed milk gives you the better flavor. You don't need any other flavors to add it in. Coconut has a good content of oil extract, which build up your body cells, grow very high in content. For children, it gives very good results in the growth. Let's decorate them with some cherries. Any kind of dry fruits you can take. The appearance is very important. So these are the final recipe of our coconut laddu. Very simple ingredients with simple homemade ingredients available at home. Thank you for watching for today's video. See you with the next video.